So one thing we've talked about with the steering committee over our weekly or bi-weekly meetings over the last couple months is how to use the project tracker, or whether to use the project tracker as that outwardly facing home page for the partnership itself. If you choose to do that, the About menu is completely customizable, and I want to show you how to do that. So from the Manage page, there's an option to manage the About pages. So if I pull that up, right now you'll see that there are those two pages, the John Day Basin Partnership page and the Results Chain Model page. If you want to add another page, you can click the Create button at the top. Let's say, and this is a vanity URL, a funny little term. It controls what's up in the URL. So instead of it being just a random number, if you want an actual URL that is johndaybasinpartnership.org/custom page/meeting notes, go ahead and put in a vanity URL there. And then you have the option about who should be able to see this About page. So here's a handy little field definition. So the status of a custom About page controls whether the page is visible to the public, whether it's protected and only visible for logged in users, or whether it's disabled and not shown at all. So if you select disabled, it just won't show up in the menu anymore, but it will still be in the system. So this allows you just to sort of toggle pages on and off if for some reason you want to turn one off, but then later turn it back on. Protected means it will only be visible to logged in users. For meeting notes, that might be the right choice here. Otherwise, you can choose public. So if I select protected and press save there, so now there's a new page that doesn't have any page content, but you can either edit the content here from selecting edit content. And this is what we call a rich text editor, because you have all of these options for adding bulleted lists, adding special fonts, adding headings, or meeting notes. Let's say we've got 218:20 and 225:20, and you can add notes there. Go ahead and press save. Now on the About menu, there's a new page there called Meeting Notes. With that same text we just added, you can say, oh, well, I didn't really need to add the header because there already is a header. You can also edit directly from this page. The rich text editors can be kind of tricky to use, but they are pretty powerful. You can add images, you can use tables, and all sorts of other fancy symbols, things like that.